The Enforcement Directorate launched simultaneous raids at multiple locations, including premises linked to former Karnataka Minister B. Nagendra and Congress MLA Basannagowda Daddal. The raids are part of an investigation into the Valmiki Corporation scam. The ED is probing the alleged illegal transfer of 187 crore rupees from the Karnataka Maharshi Valmiki Scheduled Tribes Development Corporation. Congress MLA Basannagowda Daddal is the chairperson of the Valmiki Corporation. The scandal came to light tragically with the suicide of Chandrasekharan P., the corporation's accounts superintendent. In his suicide note, Chandrasekharan mentioned some officials and the word minister. Nagendra had resigned as the Minister for Tribal Welfare and Youth Empowerment after uproar over the suicide. The ED raid comes a day after Nagendra and Daddal were questioned by the Special Investigation Team formed by the Siddaramaiah government to probe the scam. The opposition BJP has hit out at the Congress government.
State government is trying to protect its MLAs and ex-ministers. So it's quite natural when the FIR is registered based on the letter given by the Union Bank of India. When CBI has registered an FIR, it's quite natural that, ED has entered the fray.
The Congress claimed the culprits will not be spared.
The investigation is going on. We are very transparent. We don't want to involve in the investigation. Our Honorable Minister has resigned to give a way for a free and fair investigation. I think there is nothing wrong. The investigation will come out as early as possible.
In addition to the ED, the CBI is also investigating the case. The crackdown by central agencies in Karnataka are in contrast to another corruption probe in neighbouring Maharashtra. The Mumbai Police Economic Offences Wing has closed the case against ruling Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Vaikar in an alleged 500 crore rupees hotel scam exposed by BJP leader Kirit Somaiya. Vaikar had switched from Shiv Sena UBT to Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena ahead of Lok Sabha elections. He was elected MP from Mumbai Northwest Lok Sabha seat. The opposition is questioning the clean chit to Vaikar.
ये वाइकर है, आयकर की सभी कार्रवाइयाँ स्थगित होगी क्योंकि अब मोदी जी के और गुजरात के वॉशिंग मशीन में वो चले गए हैं।
जो उन्होंने उस दिन भी साफ सुथरा बता दिया कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनको रिहा कर दिया था, तभी की जो बात है। और हमारे पास आया, हम लोगों ने उनका सम्मान किया, उनको टिकट भी दे दिया और उनको चुन के भी ला दिया। तो पब्लिक ने स्वीकारा है। ऐसा नहीं क्या 2, 5, 10 हजार वोट से निकल के आया है। ये तो 17, 18, 19 लाख वोट में से चुन के आते हैं। तो इतने पब्लिक ने जो को उनको वोट मिला वो ऐसा ही मिला कि अगर उनके ऊपर जो कोई होता था क्लेम तो चुन के नहीं आ जाता था।